Today in this video, I'll be sharing how to set up your workstation in 4 simple steps. So step number 1, while sitting, so पहले आपको कैसे बैठना है? Make sure while sitting, as I've already covered in my previous video, hips should touch back of your seat so that it will maintain your lower back curvature. So जब आप hips को touch करके पीछे बैठोगे तो automatically it will grab your back and you will sit comfortably. Second step, which is come closer to the workstations. So जितना आप ज़्यादा workstation के पास में रहोगे उतना ज़्यादा उतना कम distance रहेगा और उतना ज़्यादा chances है हम slouch नहीं करेंगे, right? या hunch नहीं करेंगे ऐसे, right? So this is how we have to sit. Third step, which is arms distance. The distance between screen and eyes would be your arm's length. ऐसे you have to measure according to your arm's length. And here it is my distance between the screen. यहाँ मेरी screen रहेगी, and last but not the least, it has to be at my eye level. So while working on the laptops, we have to be very sure कि हमारी eye level पे रहे. उसमें सबसे बड़ा drawback ये है कि हमारी eye level पे नहीं रहता laptop. So that's how we need external object, let's say pen name books or files, so that हमारी eye level पे रहे, right? But most of the people make a mistake of using the books. कुछ books रख दी या कुछ stand रख दिया, कोई box पे रख दिया, and now they are working like this, which is not the right way to use. हमें क्या करना है? हम इसके नीचे कोई भी stand रख सकते हैं. For example, so this stand is very comfortable and this works very fine, very sturdy, and just put it here. Right, so never make a mistake of working like this. So this will hurt your wrist because your wrist is not in the neutral position. So अब क्या करना है हमें? ये eye level हमारा arms distance. Now we have to use the external keyboard and mouse simply, right? हमारा ये arms इसको हम adjust कर सकते हैं ऊपर, and this is at my closer to my distance. ये हमारा wrist भी rest होगा हमारा टेबल पे, and this is coming at my 90 degrees, and automatically everything is covered. And now if you closely observe, हमारा ये laptop हमारा desktop बन गया है because we are not using this keyboard anymore. So now we are using this keyboard and mouse, right? So I'm just repeating. First step is come closer, sitting with the hips touching back of your seat. Second step, come closer to the workstations. Third step, arms distance. And fourth step is your eye level, right? If I talk about different stand, अगर आपके पास कोई दूसरा stand है something like this, right? So आप ऐसे रख सकते हो, right? So now you can't work like this. So that's how you need external keyboard and mouse. So always remember, whenever you're using laptops, always invest in the external keyboard and mouse, because laptop stand का alternative है, box रख सकते हो, books रख सकते हो, but there are no alternative for the external keyboard and mouse, right? And this is the first mistake which people do. हम ज़्यादातर लोग laptop stand खरीदते हैं, then they do not buy external keyboard and mouse. So that's how they come up with their neck pain and shoulder pain and dizziness, frozen shoulders, and all sorts of hunching problems and all that, right? So this is how we have to set up our workstations, especially with the laptops. I hope you liked this video. So this is how you have to set up your workstation, and be very careful while setting up this workstation because you have to sit for long hours, and it will the better your posture is, the better your comfort level and productivity. So thanks for watching, and do hit a like button and do share it with your friends and family, those who are working from home, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.